Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the newly redesigned 2021 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency. Also coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in. But let's take a look inside. And first, looking in the back seat, where you have seating for three spaciously and comfortably that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. And then in the middle, you have two cup holders with a 12-volt power outlet, USB and USB-C, as well as a 120-volt power outlet there. This truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel on the right-hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your fuel economy, trip 1 and 2, eco coach, auto start stop, and your current audio station. Then you have your truck info, where you can look at your tire pressures, off-road status, power distribution, engine information, and seat belts. Then you have your towing information, your navigation controls, phone controls, audio controls, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. You also have My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. Then moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls with lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, your favorite screen, where you can find all of your most used apps, settings, whatever you want there. You have your app screen, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Then above your screen, you have your auto start stop shut off, your camera view again, your hazards, and your traction control shut off. Moving down from your screen, you have your media controls, and then you have your climate controls here with dual zone front climate and also heated front seats, so you can stay cozy in the colder months. To the left of that, you have your Pro Trailer Backup Controller, Trailer Brake Controller, and 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and your drive mode selector. You have normal, tow haul, eco, and sport, and then on the opposite end you have slippery, deep snow, sand, and mud ruts, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Then moving on to the right, we have a 12 volt and 120 volt power outlet, as well as this compartment up here for more storage. Then down here you have a USB and USB-C, so you can plug something to power charge from there. Then you have your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears, and can also be collapsed, so you can have more wide open space here. You have two cup holders and your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray. Ton of room inside, including another USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there too. Then looking back, you have a power sliding rear window. And last but not least, you do also have a twin panel moonroof. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111 or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.